Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says for a 3 cross 3 matrix M, the trace M denotes the sum of all the diagonal elements of M. Okay, so they have defined what is trace. Let A be 3 cross 3 matrix such that determinant of A is 1 by 2 and trace of A is 3. If B equals this, then the value of determinant of B and trace of B is. Okay, great. So first try to extract who is B. So we have adjoint to A. Okay. Now you know that adjoint of adjoint dot adjoint A. So this thing is what? This thing is a matrix, correct? So output will also be a matrix, correct? So can I write determinant of A to the power n minus 1? N minus 1 nahi, it is n minus k. K depends the number of times you have wrote adjoint. And then we have A, correct? Now, here we will apply the same idea. So can I write determinant of 2A to the power n minus, n is what? N is the order. So what is the order of A matrix? It is 3 cross 3. So 2A will also have 3 cross 3 3 cross 3 things. So n is 3 and the number of times you have written adjoint is 2. So 3 minus 2 will become 1. Correct? Now we have A and in place of A you know that we have to use 2A. Now you know that 2 is being multiplied with a matrix, means we have multiplied 2 with all the elements of matrix A. Now we have to find out its determinant, means we have to take 2 common from every row, and there is 3 cross 3 matrix, so there would be 3 rows. So 2 to the power 3 will come outside, determinant of A, and then 2 times A. Now you know that determinant of A is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 2 will be neutralized. So can I write it is 8 times A. Correct? Now we have to find out the determinant of B. Look at how beautiful this question is. So B is this and we need to find out determinant of B. So what we will do? We will take determinant on both sides. So determinant of B will be equal to determinant of 8 times A. Now we have to take 8 common from every row because 8 is being multiplied with matrix A. So 8 will be taken common from every row, means there is 3 rows. So 3 times 8 will come outside, determinant of A. Now you know that 8 is 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 will become 2 power 9 and determinant of A is 1 by 2. So can I write 2 power 8? So we got determinant of B plus trace of B. So determinant of B is 2 to the power 8 plus. Now what is trace of B? So trace of B means what? This thing. So if you will take trace on both sides, okay, so trace on both sides, so 8 will directly come outside. Okay, so trace of B will be equal to trace of 8A. We can take 8 common, so trace of A. You know this property, and trace of A is what? 3. So it is 24. Okay, so it is 24. Now try to simplify 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 means what? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and 256. So it is 256 plus 24. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now you have to add both the things. So it is 0, 8 and 2. Therefore the required value is 280. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.